Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we going to Universal Studio, California. There is Universal Studio. Yay! Hi, I'm here. Yeah, in the elevator. There is red carpet.
Just silence and I just read it up. I don't know what it is.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we going to Universal Studio, California. My first time to go there. I want to show you guys what's look like.
It's open at 10 o'clock tonight.
We open to what time, honey?
10 p.m.
Morning.
Oh, open to 8. It's been open 7 hours already.
8 to 10 in the evening. And now is 12:52 afternoon now. It's so late to go there. We ride a few minutes here from in Pasadena because so expensive the hotel. If you're there in closer to the Universal Studio.
They want 300 to 400 a night.
Yep.
Hotels in Hollywood and Universal Studio area.
Yep. Even in Pasadena, still
that far away.
expensive. 140 include the tax. My goodness. Vacation is so expensive. That's why only sometimes because we cannot afford.
Now they gotta look at the directions.
The ticket 120.
Something like that. That was with a discount.
Yeah. 120 but have discount of AAA.
120 is with the discount.
Yeah.
Retail price, nobody ever pays. There's discounts online, there's discounts everywhere.
Yep.
But it's only like $10 off.
Yep. Much better. $10.
Let me concentrate here.
Okay. Okay, see you there guys in Universal Studio. There's the traffic going to the Universal Studio. There have no more traffic.
We're here.
There is. What's in there? Parking. Universal Studio. Yeah. We made it, RJ here. Look at this. There it is. Universal Studio. Yay. Look at this. This is my first time up here.
Ah,
Whoa.
oops.
There's a parking lot here.
They're waving us on. It's empty. Nobody's
Yep.
here.
Up there. There's the garage.
How much is parking? How much?
It starts from 25.
25?
Oh my goodness. 25 the
And
park your car.
I'll buy a ticket to you. 5 minutes, she says. And the other one's 15. Preferred. Look for sign preferred.
Where is now? The parking lot preferred. Help RJ, look at the parking lot.
Parking
Preferred.
preferred.
It's $40
There it
only
is.
for parking. got preferred.
They really pushed that, huh? they give a special treatment. Well, preferred.
If you in $25, you go walk 15 minutes.
You pay 20 for them.
Yeah, if you pay $25. And if you go here in preferred, you ride elevator. Much better because wow, so big this parking lot here. My goodness. Hey, we're here. Okay, turn up now. We go walk in 5 minutes. Say hi, I'm here. Yeah, in the elevator. Yes, we walk now in 5 minutes. Elevator have three elevator to ride on. Here's our jet.
Get ready for the greatest battle you'll ever ride. Transformers The Ride 3D.
Universal Studios.
Welcome everybody to Universal Studios.
Mas long walk. Here we go, Hannah.
To explore Hollywood's most famous backlight and the largest working film and television studio in the world.
Here he is.
In. You got the video, right?
Yeah.
Done?
Welcome everybody to Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. We want to thank everybody for joining us here this afternoon. You've already purchased archways you see up ahead. That's where we'll be scanning your tickets to let you into the park. So once again, you guys have those tickets ready in your hand or on your
Hannah.
Red carpet.
Red carpet.
way down, red carpet all the way to the other end. So those are. And mark the entrance sign.
Camera dito, pilos lagi. Mara, dito.
On both sides of the red carpet, we have tickets. Purchase tickets.
There is red
Over
carpet.
friends, anywhere. And to those archways, we'll scan them there. And that last tram will leave the station.
Usually in the podium, that one usually is Harry Potter and now Jurassic World. That's on the right. What you should get this time. Yes, that's on the left. That's right over here. Go up this way, and right when you get to the Halloween diamond.
What would you like to do first?
It's up to you.
You Wanna go to the studio tour?
Yeah.
Let's go. Go all the way straight down and make a right.
Yeah. Look at that there.
Look,
It's like a store that they're running.
they have illumination.
There is illumination.
Yeah, you're right.
Go on the other side.
Carry the water. Alright, that's straight up there.
There is the
We're going to the studio tour. See the sign, New York Street?
yeah. Look at that there.
Let's take a look.
You guys don't say much. You don't say much, but you know, but there's something about your silence that I just really love. It's so, I don't know what it is.